Have you ever wondered about the invisible forces that power the electronic symphony around us? How our phones, laptops, even our cars all function seamlessly? The answer lies in a tiny, often overlooked component, the semiconductor. Imagine, if you will, an electron, a tiny particle with a negative charge, our protagonist in this journey. Its world is the microscopic, crystalline structure of a semiconductor. To understand its journey, we first need a brief understanding of what a semiconductor is. It's a substance, usually a solid chemical element or compound, that can conduct electricity under some conditions but not others, making it a good medium for the control of the electrical current. Its conductance varies depending on the current or voltage applied to a control electrode, or on the intensity of irradiation by infrared, visible light, ultraviolet, or X-rays. Picture the semiconductor as a city and the electron as a traveler. The city is composed of millions of buildings or atoms. Each building is filled with potential pathways for our traveler, the electron, to traverse. The journey begins when energy is introduced. This energy, which can come from heat, light, or electricity, excites the electron. It's like our traveler has been given a plane ticket to anywhere in the city. With this newfound power, the electron leaves its home atom and begins to explore the semiconductor city. As it moves, it encounters a variety of situations. It can meet other electrons and interact with them. It can collide with atoms and change direction. It can even join up with other electrons to form a current. Each of these interactions is vital to the functioning of our electronic devices. When the electron moves, it carries a charge, creating an electric current. When it interacts with other particles, it can change the direction of that current. And when it forms a current with other electrons, it allows the device to function. The journey of an electron through a semiconductor is a complex dance. It's a journey filled with twists and turns, collisions and interactions. It's a journey that is happening right now, in the device you're using to watch this video, in the car you drove today, in the light that illuminates your room. In summary, semiconductors are the unsung heroes of our modern world. They control the flow of electricity in our devices, allowing us to communicate, to learn, to travel, and to live in the 21st century. The journey of an electron through a semiconductor may be microscopic, but its impact is anything but. It's a journey that powers our world. So next time when you swipe your phone screen or click a mouse, remember the tiny, tireless travelers moving within the semiconductors, making it all possible. After all, it's a small world in there, but one that has a big role in shaping ours.